Hey, this is Florian. I'm CMO at TowFLEXX. We are at EBACE 2024 and I'm going to show you the innovations we are having on display here at J49. First thing we are showing this year is the LiDAR-based collision avoidance system. So basically, like park distance control in your car, this system is showing the operator possible obstacles that are in the way. The operator gets visual feedback if an obstacle comes too close, and the system would even stop the target. The second thing is the LiDAR-based nose wheel protection system. The rotating LiDAR sensor will notice the aircraft model that is being towed and takes control of the 360 turntable we have incorporated in the Tug. So all the operator needs to do is drive forward, backward, left and right, and the system counter-corrects the turntable, keeping the nose wheel straight at all times. The last innovation we are showing this year is the all-new electrified remote control turntable. So no manual labor is needed anymore to capture the aircraft. We can open, close, capture the aircraft via the remote control. Very easy, very convenient.